In this video, we're going to talk about scientific notation, specifically multiplying and dividing with scientific notation. One of the nice things about multiplying and dividing scientific notation is that it doesn't matter what the exponents are. In this example, we're going to use the commutative property of multiplication to switch the 10 to the third and the 5.71. This allows us to do the problem much easier than normal. Usually you would just do this in your head. So then we multiply 3.2 times 5.71 and get 18.272, and then 10 to the third times 10 to the fifth is 10 to the eighth. Now we're almost done. However, you'll notice that it's not in scientific notation, so we need to move the decimal point 1 over, making the factor smaller so the exponent goes up or gets greater. In this example, we're going to do the same thing, but we're just going to move it in our head. So we're going to take negative 7.1 times 4.2, and then 10 to the third times 10 to the ninth. So we get negative 29.82 times 10 to the 12th, which is not in scientific notation. So we needed to make the factor smaller, so then the exponent will go up. And that's our final answer. This next problem is a division problem, and we take the first factor divided by the second factor. So 8.904 divided by 1.2, which gives us 7.42. And the way we get 10 to the fourth is by taking 10 to the seventh divided by 10 to the third, which is 10 to the fourth. And that's in scientific notation, so we don't need to change it. But if it weren't, we would need to change it. Here's another division problem, and we're just going to divide the factors. So 1.992 divided by 2.4 is 0.83, and 10 to the fourth divided by 10 to the eighth is 10 to the negative fourth. Now, this is not in scientific notation, so we need to make the number bigger. The factor gets bigger, and so we decrease the exponent.